Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix update KB5089549, KB5087420, or KB5087051 not installing on Windows 11. First, restart your computer. After the restart, go back to Windows Update and try installing the update again. If it still fails, install the update manually using the Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the Microsoft Update Catalog website, search for the update number that is failing, such as KB5089549, KB5087420, or KB5087051. Before downloading, check your Windows version. Type WinVer in Windows Search and open it. Then go to Settings for your system, About, and check your system type, such as 64-bit operating system. Now download the correct update for your Windows version, such as 24H2 or 25H2, and your system type. Once downloaded, run the file, follow the on-screen instructions, and restart your PC. If that does not work, reset Windows Update components. Copy the reset commands from the video description, open Notepad, paste the commands, then save the file as wixbat. Make sure the file type is set to all files, then save it to your desktop. Now right-click the wixbat file and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, type Y and press Enter. Let the process finish completely. It may take some time because it will stop update services, clear update files, run repairs, and restart the services. Once done, restart your PC and try Windows Update again. Still not working? Go to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Recovery. Click Fix Problems using Windows Update, then choose Reinstall Now. This will reinstall your current version of Windows while keeping your apps, files, and settings. If the issue still remains, use the Media Creation tool. Download it from Microsoft, run it, accept the terms, select Windows 11, then choose ISO file. Save it to your desktop and wait for the download to finish. After that, open the ISO file, run setup.exe, click Next, accept the terms, and make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. Then click Install. After installation, log back in and run Windows Update again. One of these methods should help you install the updates successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie.